I have the full spoilers for the June 2023 Allure Beauty Box. Now, it does cost $25 per month. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. As refreshing as a cool pitcher of lemonade after a long swim, the products in your June Allure Beauty Box are revitalizing summer treats. The warm weather routine inside is all about delivering glassy skin and hair that's so frizz-free. Oh, I need frizz-free. You'd think you never met a humid day. Glow Recipes Watermelon Dewdrops, a serum that's as quenching as it sounds. Illuminates skin while Saturday's Skin Whipped Moisturizer leaves cheeks soft and subtle glow. Aveda's leave-in conditioner and Paul Mitchell scalp treatments are resets for even beach-wrecked hair, and Nature's tropical scented body lotion will have you dreaming of sunsets surfside. That's according to their beauty editor. So what you're going to get inside this June box is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops that is full size. Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse full size. Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Cream full size. Aveda Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner travel size. April Skin Keratin IPMP Hydromelt Cleansing Balm. Natura Ecos Takuma Nourishing Body Lotion. Let me know if this is a box you guys are thinking about picking up. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.